In this video, we learn how to create a simple loan payment calculator in Excel. This can be useful if you need to calculate the monthly payment on a car loan or home loan, for example. Let's get started. The first step is to enter the text portion of the calculator. I have entered amount borrowed, years, interest rate in cells C4 to C6, and I have entered monthly payment in cell C8. This simple loan calculator will have three initial inputs entered in cells D4 through D6. Let's hypothetically say that this is a home loan. So I will enter the amount borrowed as $250,000. Then I will enter the duration of the loan in years. Let's put 30 years here. And finally, we will enter the interest rate of 3.75%. These values are entered by the user, hence I have given them a blue color. Once the calculator is completed, these values can be changed by the user, which will then automatically affect the monthly payment calculation in cell D8. Next, let's look at the monthly payment calculation. As mentioned, the monthly payment calculation will be in cell D8. This is where we will set up the formula and function to make the loan payment calculator work. To do this, click the insert function icon next to the formula bar. This launches the insert function dialog box. The payment function is used to calculate the loan payment. In the search for a function field, specify payment, then click Go. The relevant results will appear in the Select a Function area below. The payment function is highlighted. The payment function calculates the payment for a loan based on constant payments and constant interest rate. Click OK. This launches the Functions Arguments dialog box. The payment function has three required arguments, which are in bold, and two optional arguments. The three required arguments are rate, NPER, which stands for number of periods, and PV, which stands for present value. The rate is the interest rate per period for the loan. The interest rate we have inputted is 3.75%, which is a yearly interest rate. Since this is a monthly payment, we will have 12 compounding periods, thus we should specify the interest rate on a monthly basis as well. To do this, select the rate in cell D6, then divide by 12. The next argument is NPER, which stands for number of periods. NPER is the total number of payments for the loan. The loan duration we have inputted is 30 years, thus it is on a yearly basis. Since this is a monthly payment, the number of periods should also be specified on a monthly level. To do this, select years in D5, then multiply by 12. The third required argument is PV. PV is the present value, the total amount that a series of future payments is worth now. This is simply the amount that will be borrowed. Select amount borrowed in D4. FV and type are optional arguments, so we will leave them blank. Now that the required arguments have been specified, click OK. This results in the monthly loan payment being calculated for the loan. The loan calculator is now ready. The monthly payment for a $250,000 loan with a 30-year repayment period at 3.75 interest rate is $1,157.79 per month. You can change the amount borrowed, interest rate, and years inputs in cells D4 through D6. The monthly loan payment in D8 will automatically recalculate. Let's change the loan amount to $300,000 in their interest rate to 4.25%. The monthly loan payment changes to $1,475.82. Did you notice that the monthly loan payment is being displayed as a negative? Why is this? Excel's loan functions operate on a cash flow basis. Think of present value and payments as cash inflows and outflows. From this current perspective, the bank is loaning us $300,000, which is a cash inflow to us, thus positive, and the loan payment is an outflow, so it is negative. To have the payment function return a positive value, change the PV argument to a negative value. To do this, we can go into the monthly payment formula in cell D8 and then change the argument for amount borrowed, or PV, to minus, and then hit enter. Now you can see that the monthly payment is a positive. This will be from the bank's perspective, thus PV is a negative outflow since they are lending us $300,000, while the monthly loan payment is a cash inflow since they are receiving $1,475.82. In this video, we learned how to create a simple loan calculator in Excel by using the payment function. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please leave a comment below to let us know what you thought about the video. Also, leave us a comment if there is an Excel topic you want us to cover in the future. We really appreciate you supporting the channel. Please give the video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to automatically be notified about new videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay inspired and keep learning.